Hey guys, in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to get product linking for any page. So let's get started. Go to product links, wait for it to load, and now when it has, go to link to any page. Now what you need to do is enter the page's URL. For example, I'll copy this one and simply, alright, it needs only Amazon URLs, so let's quickly go find one. Let's go to amazon.com. Let's search for something like graphic card. I like this one, and let's just copy it and let's just type it here. Alright. We need to name our link, so it's, I don't know, gaming card yippee. Alright, and now again, like each one of these, you just press on get HTML and you get an HTML that you can use for your web page or wherever you want to use it. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.